Mas nakalagay sa ibabaw na yun.
This one says can. C-A-N. Can.
Hindi na ginagawa niya yung ginagamit niya sa sentences. Without you.
A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. Glass. G-L-A-S.
Ano ba?
Ay, ito na yung ulam, no?
Last but not least, paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Okay, now we need to take all the items that were just
Ano nga ano yan? Macy's? Pang?
so then they can be
Macy's
recycled.
yan. Yung logo na yan.
Ah,
Let's see.
Star.
Ganyan din, may stripe.
Wala. Hindi siguro Macy's yan, pero Macy's yung logo niya. Tapos ang Macy's kasi may nakalagay Macy's at
Siguro
back.
dahil blue and orange.
Star is Macy's.
Why is just glitching?
Maybe you restart the phone.
It's full na kasi. Hala.
Okay.
Ay, patay ka diha. Barang bata ka. Sira ka.
Glitch.
Where did you go ba? Ah, it's your game eh. So, ikang bata. That's your game.
It doesn't need.
It's for plastic.
Naku, baka malware to na patay tayo diyan. I told you hype is not good eh. It's like
Here we go. Let's close our eyes. Whoa, remember this? Yeah, the musical instrument.
parang ano ang hype. Parang Roblox. Daming laro.
Enough playing around. We need to clean up our planet. Alright, what is this? Is it a can? Plastic? Glass? Or paper? Yeah, it's a can.
Wait.
Still.
Few more things. Whoa, check this out. Yeah,
Who created this? You?
Yeah. I'm level 1.
I can't crush it. It's pretty delicate.
Gawa siya ng pangalan, ano niyan? Profile niya, pangalan niya, tapos picture niya yung dalawa.
Kaya pala yung
Sit down.
picturean.
Ah, kaya nag-picture kayong dalawa, selfie. Selfie kayong dalawa. Ayun, ginawa yung profile.
Recycle is when we take
Kado na itong batang to.
glass and cans and allow it to turn into something else instead of thrown away. An easy to
Buti
keep
hindi face ID.
or better place. Alright, what else is in here? Whoa! Look at what we found! Another puzzle piece! Whoa! Good job! We are doing so great today. And what's on it? Yeah! This is an electric car! Another piece of the Great Green Adventure puzzle! Woohoo! Step number 2. Let's check out an electric car. Electric cars are super cool because they run on electricity instead of gas. And that's great for our Earth. But before we do that, let's learn a little more about respecting our planet Earth because it's our home.
Ayaw nila biyak ko.
Piboy, ayaw.
Ay, hindi ko pala kita.
Kasi rin narinig sa inyo. Natakot din ako sa ganyan lugar.
Saan? Pupunta kayo sa mga ganyan?
Oo.
Bakit?
May mga ganyan sa ano sa Baguio na lugar.
Ba't ka natakot?
Pero ba, wala
Kaya
naman.
nag-crime ka nga dati.
Maputik din kasi yun.
Oo. Tutulas ka talaga dyan.
Mga ganyan.
So yung mga shoes nila sinusuot yan, mga ano naman makakit.
Ayan, may mga gate-gate yung mga bahay pa.
O ano lang, design lang yung mga gates. Ito talaga siya to...
Parang border lang. Dito sa atin, mag-gate ka. Ganun lang ang gate mo, mababa din mo. Parang wala rin. Pang ano lang sa mga bata, hindi makalabas.
Check out this cool vehicle. Let's go. Check it out. This little logo says EV. Yeah, the two letters EV.
Ang dami na nauso yung EV, pero pag sakay mo EV, baka maubusin ka naman ng kuryente sa ano, ay ng battery. Marami na rin mga ano, may mga matataas na brand na, nag-EV na rin. Nag-generate, nag-ano na rin, nag-create na ng mga EV. Oo. Yung mga malalaki na no, may
Ang
mga
dami.
na rin.
Ang na... May kinabenta.
Pero kasi diba very limited lang yun. Kung baga, dapat tanungin mo mabuti yung ano, paano kung naubusin ka sa, ay paano kung na-stuck ka sa traffic o sa ano.
Alam mo, eventually, gagawa na yun sila ng power bank.
Wala naman, hindi katulad ng Tesla ba na maraming charging station.
This is this vehicle's name. O-Sparky. O-S-P-A-R-K-Y. Oh, Sparky. Is that because it runs on electricity?
Kasi yung, di ba yung, parang nauso na naman yung EV dito sa Pilipinas. Nung pinremote ng mga creamer yung ano, yung, ano pangalan nun? Yung ice cream type na vehicle ng ano? Ano ang pangalan ng sasakyan na yun? Basta yung cute, tas narigalo kay Kendra. Parang, hanggang saan ba kaya makakarating nun? Paano ka uuwi nun? Pero kung environmental, ano, maganda talaga siya. Tsaka mas mura ang kuryente sa gasolina.
Really cool. Hey, can I drive a Sparky today?
Yung mga lilit lang talaga. Kasi yung mga ganyan, hindi naman palayo ng palayo yung biyahe mo dyan. Palapit ng palapit ka Tagalan, di ba? Dati nakakabiyahe ka ng malayo. Katagalan, malalapit mo. Lagi napapalitan naman sila ng battery.
Mas sa tingin ko, mas less maintenance ang electric kaysa sa fuel. Kasi ang fuel kasi, ang dami mo isipin dun eh. Yung oil, yung makina itself,
May maintenance talaga yun parang every 6 months. Mga ganun.
paganda nila yung electric. Less kasi yung parts na gumagalaw sa electric kaysa sa mga automotive. Kasi sa ano, sa
Kaso pag nagkaano yung electric, pupalitan mo lahat.
hindi naman lahat. Depende yung sa parts na ano. Usually kung sisira dyan, yung motor lang talaga.
Motor.
Motor, tsaka yung link between sa motor, which is yun na yung mga gear.
Well, I think we should hop on the inside.
Ang liit lang pala ng Sparky na hindi. Ang liit. Parang laruan. Siguro sinadya na para mag-aan para mag-aan.
Pero ang daming battery, bili pa ko sa battery, ang dami. Parang masobrahan ako. Kasi ang ginamit niya, makina eh. Makina ng sasakyan eh. So, kailangan mo talaga ng, kasi mabigat yun eh.
I like yung mga ganyan na may capacity ng
Mabigat. Unlike pag Ginawa ko siyang diretsong electric. Maliit lang yung bricks.
Let's check out the inside of the
Kasi po,
red vehicle. Alright, first things first. Yeah, safety first. That's why I'm putting on my
ano?
seatbelt. There we go. Tighten it up. Perfect. Alright, check this out. This is the steering wheel. And in the center of the steering wheel, we have the horn. Listen. So silly. Alright, down here we have some foot pedals. This, yeah, that is the throttle. This is the brake. And the left one is the clutch. But you don't use that in this vehicle. Alright, right here, this is the parking brake. Okay, here we go. Whoa! You see how I move? Okay, I put my foot on the brake because as soon as I release this and didn't have my foot down there,
Hindi ko
then we
pinasan
started to roll. Okay, this is how you go forward, and that is how you go backward. That's really cool. And then, just like a normal vehicle, we have a key down here.
Minamas niya ano eh.
This is to change the gear.
Minamas niya
There's
sa siya
only
pangalan.
2 gears in this vehicle. Wow, this is such a really cool vehicle. We finished step number 2 on our great green adventure. That electric car is good for the environment and definitely helps with pollution. Hey, that was fun. No, please. If this wasn't
Ang paayos naman yung gaan ni Baby.